Renee has came back, and this is going to be his project. And he went to get the plants. We went to get the plants. So now he get ready to bring them in. I want to show you this, what the yard look like. Look at that. Let's see what Renee doing. Oh my goodness, Renee bringing plants in. Let's see. All right. He bringing the plants in. Hey, Renee. What you doing?
Get ready to do my patio. Gonna make it right. Just you see it now, just stay tuned. You're gonna see the finished product.
And you all, I'm telling you, everyone, he's not letting me touch this patio. I mean, I can't even come out here decorate it. He want to decorate. I know I did the house, so, I guess he have the right to do his patio. Renee doing his patio, he has the right to do the patio, and he's trying to make it look right for me. And this is my little stuff. This is not his. This is my little stuff, but I was just doing this, just for now because I was sitting out here because he wasn't ready to do the patio. But it was just something simple. But this is what he's doing. This is what he's doing. Let's see what he's doing.
And see, I don't want you cutting my bamboo and having no workouts.
Yeah, because I have bamboo sticks. I already have bamboo sticks, Renee. So you're funny. I should show my bamboo sticks. I already have bamboo. And that's my workout. Renee brought this for me to work out so I can stay in shape, but I keep myself in shape too. I'm just playing, but he just brought that. He know I work out, so he be thinking about me.
This one is very strong plant. It's really strong.
Yeah, that one is nice. Very nice. We just putting them anywhere. But you know what? This is his project, so he just bringing them. He just bought them, so I know he's going to have this patio awesome. He have a lot of talent. Not only do he have talent, he's a good, got good sight for decorating.
I just spent $10,000 on these plants. Psych.
If he paid $10,000, we send them all back, and we don't need the patio fixed because we can go find somebody to fix a patio for what, about $2,000. This is Renee's project. Let me show you this. So he trying to fix up this, so he got to fix up this because this is my love right here. That's his project, but this is mine. This is my love. I like coming out here and swinging. I like swinging on this swing. So this is my little project right here to find something. But this is his project right here. Let me watch him because they too heavy for me to bring. So I'm not gonna bring them in. Oh, that's gorgeous. This is gorgeous already, and it's not even fixed. The patio's not near fixed. He's just doing his project, and right now he's just bringing let's see. He's just bringing what is this, bamboo? I don't know what all the trees are. He got bamboo. I got that. The bamboo. Let's see what he got. Yeah. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Thank you, Renee.
Like Tarzan up in here in a second. Well, I take that back. Like the Black Panther.
You said like the Black Panther. Yes, I would love to fix the patio because I'm the type of person I love decorating, but he will not let me touch this patio. This is his project. I'm telling you, he is tripping. I'm going to tell you all, he is tripping. He will not let me touch this patio. I mean, I'm really serious. He will not let me touch this patio.
I want you to see something.
What you saying?
Come closer, you see?
Okay.
And I don't want you to touch these oranges until December. No green. Look at it coming in real beautiful. That's it.
So that's it for you? Your project finished? These are your bamboo? You plan on getting any more?
Maybe, but this is the start of the journey.
Look at that. Look so beautiful. You don't know you look beautiful behind the bamboos.
Like this one.
And that's his. He bought it and it started growing back. It had died because he had bought it for in the house. And it started whittle. How do you say whittle away?
Yeah,
and it started back growing.
I overwatered it. I found out it's supposed to be right where it's at, outdoor.
Mm-hmm. It actually started growing. It was like a stick. I can't believe it started growing again also.
Okay.
All right, so that's it. Renee's so funny. You didn't know he had a comical side? Yes, he do. He tried to be funny. He tried to be funny. He only funny when I make him funny, you all. I'm taking that credit. Nah, I'm just teasing. All right. So let's show you what his project. So this is actually Renee's project. I will not be touching the patio because he will not let me touch the patio. The only thing that's in this patio is my workout that he bought for me. He bought me a workout, and so I've been working out on that every once in a while. It's hard to work out at home, so every once in a while I work out at home. But this is his project, and I'm not gonna touch it. I really have to let him do the project. I mean, it's hard for not to touch it because yeah, I've been putting my little inputs in, like, hey, we should get this and get that, but I have to let this be his project. But that is my aloe vera tree, and I grew this from a sprig. Look at that. This was a sprig, and I grew it from a sprig. And this right here, I do have to show you. This right here was my mint tree, and it was growing mints very, very good. But I guess I didn't water it enough, so you know. I'm really good in plants, but I didn't water enough, so it went away. But this, I just had a piece of sprig, and I